To enable Klarna financing, start by creating a Klarna merchant account on the Klarna website. This will provide you with the necessary credentials to integrate Klarna into your online store. Once you have your account, navigate to the Klarna dashboard and click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, select the payment methods option and choose the financing options you want to offer to your customers, such as pay in 4 or pay in 30 days. You will then need to configure the payment gateway by generating an API key, which will be used to connect your online store to Klarna. Next, you will need to integrate the Klarna payment gateway into your e-commerce platform. This can be done by using a pre-built plugin or by manually integrating the API into your website. If you are using a popular e-commerce platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce, you can install a Klarna plugin to simplify the integration process. After integrating the payment gateway, you will need to configure the payment options in your online store. This includes setting the payment terms, such as the interest rate and repayment period, and customizing the payment button to match your brand. You should also ensure that you are compliant with Klarna's terms and conditions, as well as any relevant laws and regulations in your country. To test the Klarna payment option, create a test order and go through the checkout process to ensure that the payment option is working correctly. Once you have confirmed that the payment option is working, you can start offering Klarna financing to your customers. It is essential to clearly communicate the terms and conditions of the financing option to your customers, including the interest rate and repayment period, to ensure that they understand the agreement they are entering into. By following these steps, you can easily enable Klarna financing in your online store and provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option. This can help to increase sales and improve the overall customer experience, as customers are able to purchase products and pay for them over time.